What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Meme coins are kind of the topic of conversation as of late. There's a lot of money that's actually being made, even though the market hasn't necessarily shown a lot of growth overall. You can look at a Bitcoin, an XRP, a BNB, an Ethereum, and see how much they're down, over the last year. And it does hurt to see that, but you start to look even further and you're like, okay, you can make money from some meme coins that are popping up. I see 100%, 200%, 1,000% in some plays, but eventually it does play catch up to the market, and you end up losing money if you invest in too late. But in an altcoin season, meme coins continue to run. They run and run and run, and you can make so much money from it. But that's primarily what meme coins are. So each one has a life cycle, meaning that if you invest into a meme coin, what are the odds? What's the chances that it'll be still a thing or have that hype in the next bull market, in the next altcoin season? And that's kind of the question that you have for a lot of the OG meme coins, like a Dogecoin, like a Shiba Inu or a Pepe. So what I want to talk to you about in this video is SHIB's hype. Is it dead? Is it a dead coin? Are we beating a dead horse by trying to see some sort of growth within it? Or are you still going to have that large amount of light at the end of the tunnel because it is an OG cryptocurrency, OG meme coin cryptocurrency? So we're going to get into that in this video. If you guys could, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you want to check out the video sponsor, iTrustCapital, you can. There's a link down below in the description. You can buy and sell gold, crypto, silver on iTrustCapital. But more importantly, you're able to have an account that you don't typically have with cryptocurrency, which is a retirement account. You can set yourself up with a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA if you want to. And the benefits to that is all tax related. You can either have taxes that are deferred or taxes that are completely wiped out with a Roth IRA. Honestly, I have both, and I can't wait to make the money that I can make from cryptocurrency, see the explosion, and also see the benefit that I can get with tax-free withdrawals there. So feel free to check out the link down below for iTrustCapital if you guys want to. They have all the information in the world. They also have a representative. I will have that link down there, or the email, so that you can reach out to them and get some more information, because it is great to have a IRA, a Roth IRA somewhere else in the stock market and all that stuff, and then to have a Roth IRA for cryptocurrency, which could be the most explosive market that we see, in the last decade, besides tech. But anyways, check it out. Link will be down below. Let's talk about the topic of today, Shiba Inu. Is it a dead coin? Is the hype dead within it? Well, no, right? I don't think any coin is dead. Just before we get into the review and breakdown and all that stuff, I don't think any coin is actually dead. Anything can experience a level of hype depending on a community that can come in and absolutely explode things up. Now, the likelihood of Shiba Inu seeing that is more likely than others because of the traction that it had, the amount of holders that it has, all of that stuff. But for others, you could see hype, you could see it absolutely get destroyed, and then all of a sudden, a community comes and builds it all back up, and now you have a top tier meme coin because the community wanted to build it up. It really all depends, and you can't predict what's going to be built up by a larger community, what's going to have the most traction there. But that's why Shiba Inu saw what it saw. It had an influx of people that are like, this is the next play. You had Dogecoin, this is the next play. You can make so much money without seeing it get to a level of $1. That was the whole deal. It was going to kill Dogecoin and make Shiba Inu the top meme coin out there. And at one point, I believe it was the top meme coin for a very brief moment, but Dogecoin has really been up there majority of the time. Let's say 98% of the time. But Shiba Inu currently stands at 0.000044 4468. There's 5 zeros there, and you have 4468. It is down 67 or 68% over the last year. In the last 24 hours, it's down by 1%. The last week, it's down by 5%. And the last month, it's up by 6%. But the year is what we're looking at, right? It's down quite a bit. So people are losing out on what they're holding. Maybe you have an opportunity to buy, but if you were holding for as long as most people were and are, you are losing money, a decent amount of it, depending on how much you invested. But the current market cap is at a $2.63 billion market cap, seeing volume of $58 million and having holders of 3.07 million. The value of Shiba Inu is not in where the price is or where the market cap is or anything like that. The value for Shiba Inu comes here. It is a community-driven meme coin. Can't change anything, can't do anything with it, right? But it's a community-driven meme coin where you have millions of people that are invested, millions of people that are holding on to this play, knowing that it still has that larger potential to succeed. So the value comes from the holders. Is it dead? Simple answer, no, it's not. Many others, as you go in here, you understand that it's been around, and the peak of the hype was 2021, and now it's 2026. Is the hype dead? We don't see as much volume. We don't see as many people talking about it. We don't see as many videos that are out there. We don't have as many views on those videos to where we're talking about Shiba Inu. But people still want to know whether it has that potential. And I can tell you this, it does have that potential. And the reason is right here. You don't need any other reason. You can say, oh, well, it's not trending. The volume isn't there. We don't have the burns or anything like that. The potential to gain within it is still there 100%. The potential to get to 10, 20, 30, 40, $50 billion market cap is still there. But the questions on whether it's going to get to a level of a penny or get to a level of $1 or burn off the entire supply, that's where you start to get into territory where it's like, that's no longer reasonable. That's no longer the biggest conversation to have, because we want to see success. But now that the ecosystem dev team did everything that they did, it still hurts to go, okay, well, we can see some burns, right? You can see some burns, but is it enough? It's basically not even up to a drop in the bucket. It's less than a drop in the bucket, right? It's like we have to like really scratch and claw and try and get any type of burns from anywhere, and we don't have a standard process to do so. While we did have many standard processes, those were all taken away from the ecosystem dev team. So the conversation of getting Shiba Inu to $1, I feel like that's over. I feel like that's not what the conversation was to begin with, because it was always, you can make a bunch of money without SHIB getting to $1 like Dogecoin. But then with the thought that, oh, we can burn, and we're seeing burns, but then those burns going away, now that conversation is kind of over. Now we're looking for gains of a 200, 300, 1,000%, 2,000%, 3,000%, or and so on and so forth, which we could still see easily. The issue is that we have to now separate those two. Massive, unbelievable historical gains versus still massive, not equally massive, but still massive gains that we can have with Shiba Inu as an OG meme coin. It's still an OG, still has all the holders, still has all the believers. I'm even a holder. It's just I'm not holding as much. I did burn off a lot of what I held, which is some people would consider a waste of money now, because we're not really focused on burns. We're focused on what it can be worth as a meme coin at its peak level. But I still hold about 100 million, and it's at a good price if you wanted to even get more and see more gains in the end. But I want to know what you guys think. Do you feel like the hype for Shiba Inu is dead? Do you feel like it's going to have success as we get into altcoin season? Because it is an OG meme coin. It's not going anywhere. Other meme coins have come and gone within this. And Shiba Inu still has 3 million holders. People that are holding for a very, very long time. The length of time that people have been holding Shiba Inu is crazy if you look into that. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.